After graduating cum laude from Southwestern University in 1986, Sylvia J. Kerrigan attended the University of Texas Law School and clerked for Texas Supreme Court Justice Eugene Cook. Kerrigan then joined the law firm of Clan, Bell & Murphy, practicing international corporate law, maritime law, insurance coverage, and complex civil litigation. In 1995, Kerrigan joined Marathon Oil Corporation as counsel. She was soon promoted to Assistant General Counsel and later to Executive Vice President and General Counsel. Under her leadership, Marathon's legal department received numerous awards for excellence in business, compliance, and regulatory affairs, as well as community service and pro bono work. From 2000 to 2002, Kerrigan took a leave of absence from Marathon and worked in Geneva, Switzerland, at the United Nations Security Council's Commission d'Indemnisation. There she served as the senior legal officer and team leader responsible for arbitrating the losses sustained by international energy companies following Iraq's 1990 invasion of Kuwait. After retiring from Marathon Oil in 2017, Kerrigan was selected as the executive director of the K. Bailey Hutchinson Center for Energy Law and Business at the University of Texas at Austin. She has served on numerous boards of professional and civic organizations, including Southwestern University's Board of Visitors and Board of Trustees. For her exceptional service to the energy industry and her exceptional civic engagement, the Southwestern Alumni Association is proud to present Sylvia J. Kerrigan with a 2018 Distinguished Professional Award. Dr. Roy Rivera, class of 2002, first discovered his passion for physical therapy at Southwestern when he was volunteering at Georgetown's Right On Center for Kids, ROC. There, he provided equine-assisted activities to improve children's mobility issues and realized he wanted to devote his career to improving individuals' ability to move freely and without pain. Since graduating, he has earned several postgraduate degrees, including a master's and doctorate of physical therapy and a PhD in health studies with an emphasis on community health. He is the CEO and director of rehabilitation at Chrome Rehabilitation in Houston, Texas, a practice bringing care to approximately 6,000 patients. His commitment to professional excellence has won him numerous awards, including being the Patient's Choice winner among Open Care's Top 10 Physical Therapists of 2015 in Houston. In 2016, Rivera was given the honor of leading a medical response team at the Houston Marathon, a position historically reserved for medical doctors. In 2017, his quick thinking and response saved the life of one man who collapsed just a block from the finish line. He is the preferred provider for the Ryan White HIV/AIDS program through the Legacy Community Health System in Houston. In addition, he serves on the board of the Houston Tennis Club, a nonprofit organization promoting LGBT athletic competition in tennis. He also sponsors fundraisers to benefit Hatch Youth, an organization dedicated to empowering lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, questioning, intersex, asexual, and allied LGBTQIA youth. Perhaps most importantly, Rivera is also the loving father of daughter Isabella, a little girl he adopted years ago after she stole his heart as his patient. Because he personifies Southwestern's core values in his chosen career every day, the Southwestern University Alumni Association warmly presents Dr. Roy Rivera with a 2018 award for Distinguished Professional. The inimitable Jim Wilson is a 1969 graduate of Southwestern University. His spirited service to Southwestern includes the Board of Visitors, the Greater Georgetown chapter of the Southwestern Alumni Association, and the Collegetown Committee. Wilson is also the unofficial pirate volunteer at many SU events. Arr! In 2016, Southwestern awarded Jim the Martha Diaz Hurtado Collegetown Award, which recognized the dedication and efforts he has made to enhance the Collegetown environment for SU students, faculty, and staff. As a member of Georgetown's Main Street Board, Jim has been Southwestern's biggest cheerleader. For example, he initiated the printing and placement of the SU 1840 pennants that the city places around the square during school events. Wilson has also been instrumental in drumming up support for Southwestern's football program the past 5 years, attending every one of Coach Austin's radio shows and providing numerous printed materials to support the new program. including signs for the stadium and for the community kickoff events at Georgetown Country Club. For his buoyant spirit and inspiring commitment to the university, the Southwestern University Alumni Association honors Jim Wilson with the award for Distinguished Southwestern Service. Stacy Benson graduated from Southwestern in 2005 with a BA in psychology. She went on to earn her master's in health psychology and a doctor of osteopathy degree. She is a physician and owner of Paradigm Family Health in Dallas, Texas, where she practices family medicine in a direct primary care model. Benson demonstrated heroic effort in coordinating disaster relief in the aftermath of Hurricanes Harvey, Irma, and Maria. On August 29, 2017, Benson was tagged in a Facebook post that alarmed her. There were no medications or medical supplies to serve the thousands of displaced people sheltering at the George R. Brown Convention Center. Benson thought, why can't we raise money and help get medical supplies to GRB? From August 30th to December of 2017, Benson worked tirelessly to raise money, purchase medical supplies and medications, and organize their delivery to the hardest-hit locations in Houston, Port Aransas, Port Arthur, Florida, and Puerto Rico. Benson worked directly with volunteers across the country to support hospitals and clinics that were forced to shut down because of damage to their facilities or supply shortages. She aided in raising roughly $100,000 to purchase supplies that she and her colleagues then inventoried, packaged, and shipped to physicians and community health providers during that hurricane season. In recognition of the global impact of her actions and her contributions to the well-being of humanity, the Southwestern University Alumni Association proudly presents Dr. Benson with the 2018 Distinguished Humanitarian Award. Casey Greer Blades, class of 2009, is an art teacher and head coach for girls soccer at Cypress Lakes High School. Since graduation, Blades has dedicated her career to helping students from low-income families succeed by pushing for systemic changes in high school athletics that remove barriers and create lasting opportunities. Casey was recognized for these efforts as Cypress Fairbanks ISD's Classroom Cheerleader Spotlight Teacher in the fall of 2017, and she was also named the District Co-Coach of the Year in 2014 and 2018. Recently, Casey was named to the United Soccer Coaches 30 Under 30 program. She also serves on the United Soccer Coaches High School Advocacy Committee, working to legitimize and promote the opportunity to play high school soccer within the soccer community. In service to her alma mater, Casey uses her position as a teacher to recruit her best and brightest students to go to Southwestern, and she has personally played a part in recruiting a number of students and student athletes to become Pirates. For her perseverance, dedication, and leadership in creating opportunities for students of all backgrounds, the Southwestern University Alumni Association is presenting Casey Greer Blades with the 2018 Distinguished Young Alumna Award. Jessica Hager, class of 2008, is the External Engagement Manager of Community Health and Nutrition for Feeding America in Chicago, Illinois. Since graduating from Southwestern, Hager has been working tirelessly for various organizations dedicated to eliminating hunger and improving nutrition in high-need communities. Hager began her career with the Capital Area Food Bank during her senior year at Southwestern. She went on to get her master's in social work at the University of Chicago before taking a position at Feeding America, the nation's largest hunger relief organization. Hager has pioneered a range of programs supporting regional food banks around the country, including the widely influential Health Food Bank Hub and Hunger and Health. The Health Food Bank Hub supports innovative efforts to increase access to healthful foods and promote nutrition and wellness. Hunger and Health enables professionals to develop and share tools and resources addressing the root causes of food insecurity and the social determinants of health. Because of her exemplary commitment to fighting food insecurity, Southwestern is proud to name Jessica Hager a 2018 Distinguished Young Alumna. Mr. Homecoming, Carrie Bruns, Professor of Chemistry. Professor Bruns has been quite a leader on campus, helping our students pursue their goals and dreams of becoming medical professionals. Described as consistently approachable, respectful, and willing to listen and help, Bruns teaches general chemistry and biochemistry courses at Southwestern. But what many people may not know is that for many years, Bruns has been in charge of Southwestern's Pre-Medical Advisory Committee, which provides professional development programming and handles all the applications, recommendations, and interviews for any SU student or graduate interested in applying to medical school. He also organizes the annual Healthcare Professionals Breakfast held at Homecoming, a very successful event that provides current students opportunities to network with our alumni. Bruns is retiring at the end of the year, and his retirement will leave a void, not only in the chemistry department and the Gary School of Natural Sciences, but across the campus as a whole. In celebration of the unabiding appreciation and respect former students and colleagues have for Professor Cary Bruns, the Southwestern University Alumni Association presents him with the 2018 Mr. Homecoming Award.